What's up, guys? Mr. Silva here with another video. Today, I'm gonna show you how to make a skull decal. The finished decal is the one showing on the screen right now, and it's selling really good. Later, on this video, I will show you how many units have been sold of this decal, and where it is selling so good. So guys, stick around and watch the full video. Okay, so let's get to work. Okay guys, as promised, let me show you where this decal is selling so good. It is selling on eBay and it has 292 units sold so far. For me, this is a really good selling decal, and I know you can sell it as well. And this is a win-win for me. So why don't you try it?
Please guys, stay tuned and subscribe to my channel so you don't miss all the information I'm gonna share with you. If you like this video, please give me a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to my channel and hit the bell so you get all notifications for new content. Thank you for watching. See you on my next video.